Good evening, everyone. My name is Miss Kim. I wanted to welcome you to Back to School Night for Psychology for your student who is hopefully a 12th year senior here at Miramonte. I wanted to talk briefly about what this course is going to consist of, some basic expectations for the course, and then if you have any follow-up questions, I will leave my contact information in the very last slide. So talking about what Psych is going to be a year-long survey course that is an elective specifically for seniors here at Miramonte. We're going to be tackling a variety of different concepts that really have to do with human behavior and the human mind, such as memory and learning, thinking and language, biology and consciousness, personality, family, therapy, and other personality disorders. What we talk about over the course of the year is split between fall and spring semester. Accordingly, the textbook chapters are also split 50% and 50%. You can see on the left-hand side, fall semester is going to consist of units 1 through 5. Spring semester will have units 6 through 10. In this class, your child will be assessed primarily through formative and summative assessments. For clarity on what these are, formative assessments are the things that we're going to do in class. They're all together in practice or in class practice learning. We're going to do this through polls, in-class discussions, self-created videos, short answer assignments, and so on. They're also going to have summative assessments at the end of every unit where they're going to be writing short essays and completing both personal and group projects as well. I will be trying to do some preparation for the AP exam if your child is interested in taking the AP Psych exam come May 2020 or 2021, sorry. The grading and expected workload. So you can see the breakdown of in-class coursework as well as those assessments, both formative and summative, are broken down into 45% categories each with a 10% final exam happening at the end of each semester. The expected workload should be no more than 2 hours of outside of class, so outside of Zoom work per week. That's not on a daily basis, that is on a weekly basis. Materials for the class that your child will need to have on hand are going to be a charged device, preferably with a keypad instead of a touch screen. You don't need a history binder or a psych binder section or folder yet unless we go back to in-person learning, and then I will remind psych students to make sure that they have that on hand. They should also have both a digital and paper copy of the textbook, which is a lot of helpful features. If they do not yet have a textbook, please have them reach out to me and I will get them that textbook material as soon as possible. On our synchronous days, so the days that we are meeting, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, are 75-minute periods of block days. During this time, we're going to do warm-ups and check-ins. I'll do some direct instruction where I just deliver new content to students and ask for any questions that they might have. We're going to do some breakout room discussions, and we're going to work in small groups on a variety of different simulations, activities, and discussions. And then every Monday, they will be having asynchronous classes, which means that they will be receiving roughly between 20 to 40 minutes of individual independent work that they can choose to complete at any point during class on Monday. These assignments, I guarantee, will be easy to access. They'll be independent work, and they will have very clear instructions. So there should be no confusion on what needs to get done or material for that day. Where can your child access information? So we're really lucky this year to have a new platform. The platform can be a little bit confusing initially, but what it does is it integrates a variety of different platforms that we used to have to kind of jump between or toggle between in previous years. Canvas is not only going to be the place for all of it's going to hold the assignments, but it's going to hold homework, it's going to hold scheduling, it's going to hold email and communication with the teacher, and it's also going to hold our grade book as well. So Canvas is a thing that students need to be checking every day. They can choose to check it the days of the classes that they actually have. They don't need to check it every single day for every single class. But I would suggest that they are on the Canvas platform at least once a day to be checking in with what their teachers are posting. The ways in which you can help your child succeed, especially as seniors in high school, is give them gentle reminders to check Canvas every day if you don't think that they would remember to do that or you think that they might forget or otherwise. And please help them set up a designated area for them to have virtual class, even if that's just a study space, even for the asynchronous classes as well, somewhere that has good internet connection, good lighting, that's not their beds or otherwise, a place that will really help them focus and engage as much as possible. All right, that's it for my presentation. If you do have any specific questions, you can contact me via Canvas. My email is embedded in the platform there. You can also hop onto Gmail and email me at kchem@auhsdschools.org, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you may have. Have a great rest of your night, and thanks for listening.